Yes, again, this session is being recorded and we will be working on the question number 22. I have received only one response from Datu Tanzil. And let's see what is this question is all about when we talk about the question number 22. It says Chetan Limited as the following book value capital structure. They have given the equity capital as 10 million shares at the rate 10 per share, and that is around 100 million. Preference capital 11%, 1 lakh shares, rupees 100 per share, and that is around 10 million. We have the third component which talks about the retained earnings, that is 120 million. Debentures 13.5 percentage, that is for 50 million, and 12% loan. Also, they have talked about the next expected dividend per share is 1.5. The dividend per share is expected to grow at 7%. The market price per share is 20. This is all about the equity related information. Preference share redeemable after 10 years. After 10 years is currently selling at rupees 75 per share preference shares. Debentures, again, they are redeemable after 6 years and are selling at the rate of rupees 80 per debenture. And they have said the tax rate as 50%. They are asking us to calculate the weighted average cost of capital for both book value proportions as well as the market value proportions. Now, I believe that you have a question paper with you and the calculator. Let me take you guys to the board and then we will be discussing this question. I can see here that again people are trying to join, but anyway I'll not be allowing them. We will be proceeding with the people who are present in this particular class. So my board is getting uploaded. In the meantime, you can write the given data, what all the data is given in that particular question. The question number 21. Yeah, I think now you can see my board. Just a sec. Yes, here is my board. And we are proceeding with question number 21. Now, what is the deal for us? What is the target now? What is it we have to do in the question number 21? Very first.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದೂದ್ ಸಾಗರಗೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ ಮಮ್ಮಿ.
ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ, I know the internet sigala anta heli. You should be very careful. No, it's okay. You should be very careful, especially when you are on the recorded calls. Okay. Okay. Without wasting the time, solution. I think Deepika was responding me saying that we need to calculate the cost of equity. I'll be proceeding with what she says. Cost of equity. We know that the ultimate target in the class, we have understood that the entire structure ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಗಳು ಬರಬೇಕು. ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಗಳು ಆದಮೇಲೆ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀವಿ, ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಬುಕ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂತ, ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಫೈನಲಿ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು ದ WACC, ರೈಟ್? ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ವಿಚ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್?
E divided by NP plus G, sir.
NVPS plus G, na? Is this
Yes,
the
sir.
question number 21 or 22? 22, right? Okay, yeah.
22.
Yes, fantastic. They have given the data here for us for the cost of equity. What is the dividend?
1.5.
Yeah, if there is a background noise, you are please requested to mute yourself. Yeah, I can still experience the background noise. Fantastic. Okay. Now, D is equal to 1.5. Very good. That is given in the question. And what is the market value per share they have given?
20 rupees.
Yeah. You can be with me. You have no background voice. So I'm happy with that. MVPS is 20. And what is the growth rate we have?
7%, sir.
7%. Good.
0.07.
So, yeah, or 0.07. Fantastic. Have a practice of writing like this. I appreciate. T is equal to D divided by, now we have MVPS and then we say G. Now, if we apply dividend of 1.5 divided by 20, and this is plus 7%, that is 0.07. Tell me, what is the value we get? 1.5 by 20.
0.075.
0.075.
Very good.
0.075.
Very good. And then plus 0.07 is how much?
0.145.
0.145.
0.145.
Very good. Or 14.5%.
14.5%.
14.5.
Okay, next, what is it we have to do?
Cost of preferences.
Cost of preference share.
Yes, let's do that.
Cost of
Cost
preference
of,
share.
very good. Cost of preference shares. Okay, now what do we do with this cost of preference shares? ಯಾವ approach na use ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
Redeemable, sir.
D plus
Redeemable approach.
F.
Very good, very good, very good. Fantastic. Therefore, the formula is ತುಂಬಾ ಸಲ ಮಾತಾಡಿದೀವಿ D plus F plus D plus PR
F plus D plus PR minus
Yeah.
PI divided by NM.
PI
NM, and this is divided by RV
divided
plus
by
NP by
RV
2.
divided by 2.
divided by 2.
Okay, now what is the dividend they have mentioned here for preference?
11.
How is that?
11%.
Yes, 11%. How?
11%.
How?
They mentioned in the question only.
Yes, they have mentioned 11% preference share. That is 11% of
100.
Face value.
yes
100.
face value, and then we are getting rupees 11 as the dividend. Fantastic. Okay, have they given the flotation cost?
No, sir.
Check
No,
out
sir.
and then you can respond. No flotation cost. Allah? Okay. Have they given the discount?
Yes, sir.
How?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
25.
They
25.
95%.
75, sir. 25.
100 minus 75.
Yes, it was supposed to be 100, but it is trading at the rate of
75.
75 rupees. Therefore, you call rupees 25 as discount. Fantastic. Do we have a premium on redemption or issue?
No, sir.
Very good. So NM is equal to
10 years.
10 years. Now let us apply. KP is equal to dividend is 11 plus F
11
value is
plus
0 plus discount is given as a 25.
25.
There is no premium on redemption. There is no premium on issue, divided by 10. And this is whole divided by what?
100 plus
100 plus 75 by
100
2.
plus 75.
Very good, very good. Now 11 plus, I'll simplify this, 25 divided by 10, and here I'll write
2.5.
175 by 2. Okay, 11 plus
2.5.
2.5.
2.5.
Okay, 2.5 divided by 175 by 2.
87.5.
87.5.
87.5.
7.5, yes. And now 11 plus 2.5, simple, 13.5,
13.5.
and divided by
13.5.
yes, very good. 13.5 divided by 87.5. What is the answer now?
0.15.
1543 or
1543.
yeah, that's all about
15.43.
yes, that's all about the preference capital, correct? Any question here? Proceed, Mana.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next is what?
Sir,
Debenture.
Yes,
Debt.
cost of
cost of debt.
yes, or debenture. Very good. Now, is it a redeemable or irredeemable?
Redeemable.
Redeemable.
Very good. Therefore, the formula goes like this. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ formula. You can just quickly write it. I'll not be asking again and again. F plus D plus PR minus PI divided by M, and the whole divided by RV plus NP by 2. Okay. Now you can tell me what is the value of interest they have given?
13.5.
13.5.
13.5%. Fantastic. Tax
50%.
50. 50. 0.50.
very good. And have they given the flotation cost?
No, sir.
Was,
No.
sir,
Discount?
discount. 20
How?
rupees.
How?
Discount is 20.
20.
100 minus 80.
80 market value.
Yeah.
100 minus 80.
100 minus
100 minus
80.
80.
20.
Rupees 20. Good, very good. NM,
6, sir.
6 years.
6 years.
Yeah, fantastic. RB,
100, sir.
yes, rupees
100.
100. And NP,
80,
80.
yeah, that we know 100 minus discount.
80.
20.
Yeah, discount.
20.
Yes,
80.
100. Yes, very good. Now let us simplify here. I is 13.5 into 1 minus 0.5. And then I say F is 0. Discount is 20. Premium, no premium, divided by 6. And this is whole divided by
100 plus 80 divided by 2.
yes, 100 plus 80 by 2. Come on, guys. You guys should be fast now. 13.5 into 0.5 plus 20 divided by 6. And now 180 by 2.
3.8.
The 13.5 into 0.5.
3.333.
It is 13.5 into 0.5.
6.5.
6.75.
0.75.
Okay. 20 by 6.
3.33, sir.
3.333.
3.33.
Okay. 180 by 9. 180 by 2. 90.
90.
90.
Okay.
0.112.
Very good. 0.112 final answer. But before that,
0.112.
yeah, 0.083 by 90. This is equal to 0.112 or 11.2%. I think Akila, Ranjan, they are responding. Right. Now, what is the next target?
Book values.
Yeah,
Sir, 13 into 0.5, 6.5, sir.
6.5.
Sorry, correct.
Okay. In the question, they have also talked about the cost of, they have talked about the loan, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Therefore, cost of loan is equal to, we know that I into 1 minus T. Nan
Plus
last time
T.
barbotu idenne start kidalva.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the value of I?
12, sir.
12%.
Yeah. And the tax they have given as 5.5. Yes.
6, sir, answer.
Yes. 6%. Very good.
6.
Yes. Can we proceed for WACC?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now we are going for WACC, and this is for book value. Come on, let us work it together. Sources. What are the sources we have?
Equity.
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 Yeah, you tell me the amount.
7% preference capital.
Yeah, equity, retained earnings, preference, and then debentures,
Loan.
and 12% loan. Okay. Amounts, please, quickly. 100,
100, 10,
10.
120,
120,
50, 80.
10, 50, and then 80. And the total is?
80. 360.
360.
Okay. Weights, please.
0.2777.
0.277.
Okay. 2778, right?
0.0278.
333.
Okay. 0.333.
0.027.
Okay.
0.028.
0.027. Okay. Next. Debentures.
0.22.
138.
0.138.
138. Okay. Loan.
0.222.
Now ಇದನ್ನ total ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ it should be 1 ಅಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir.
And now let us go for the specific cost. ಹೇಳಿ equity we just calculated ಅಲ್ಲ?
14.5.
Yeah. Retained earnings is also 14.5. And preference
11.2.
11.2 ಬಂತ preference ನಮಗೆ.
Yes,
See
sir.
here
15.4.
yes 15.43 ಇತ್ತು ತಾನೆ. So 15.43 preference 15.43. Debentures
7.2.
ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್
11.2.
ಎಸ್
11.2.
ಎಸ್ 11.2 loan
6.
6. Okay, now you can get me cost or WACC ಏನೇನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಲ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿ.
4.0165. 0165.
Okay, next
5.138.
4.8285.
8285.
8285, sir.
Okay,
0.4166.
okay, and next
1.5456.
5456. Last
1.332.
okay, what is the total?
Twelve point 176.
12.176. Okay, I think everybody got the same answer there. Yes, you have the WACC as 12.176, right? Bandidhiya?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the next thing we have to do?
Market value.
Okay, perfect. So let's go for WACC, market value. Bega bega bari book ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Now you guys are experts. Sources ಅಲ್ಲಿ we have equity. Retained earnings ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀವಾ market value ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಈಗ?
No, sir.
Very good. We have equity, preference, and then
Debenture.
debentures, loan.
Loan.
Okay. Amount ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕೀಗ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿಗೆ
200. 7.5
sir.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸಾರಿ ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ.
millions ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ sir.
So you should be very, very careful now when you say the amount. So note ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ನೋಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದಂಗೆ ನಾವು how many shares are available?
Market value.
Yes, ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ
10
shares
million.
into market price ಅನ್ನೋದು.
Market price. Yes, sir.
Yes, ಎಷ್ಟು shares? 10 million shares ಅಲ್ಲ 10 MN shares multiplied by
20.
20. 1 million is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ಲಕ್ಷ?
10 lakh.
Very good. 10 million ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಲಕ್ಷ?
1 crore. Sir. 100.
Yes.
100 lakh.
Yes, very good. Multiplied by 20.
200 lakhs. Sir.
Yes. So 200. Yes, 200 million. That 200
million.
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
that 200 million you will be writing here. Preference
Difference 1 lakh into
50,000, sir.
75.
Preference.
1 lakh into price
75.
75. So ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
Seven
75 lakhs.
lakhs. 75 lakh.
75 lakhs ನ ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋದಾದ್ರೆ
7.5 M.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ 7.5. ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್
Debenture 5 lakh. 5 lakh into 80.
5 lakh into
5 lakh into 80. Okay,
80.
80.
ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು?
4 crore.
4 crore. Sir.
4 crores ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
40.
40 million.
ಹಾ 40 ಮಿಲಿಯನ್. ಅದನ್ನ ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
40
ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ
Lakhs ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 100 lakh.
yeah
400 lakhs. Sir.
400.
400.
Then yes, you will be writing as 40. Very good. ಲೋನ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ?
80.
Loan 80 M.
Okay, 80. Now you tell me the total.
327.5.
327.5.
327.5.
Okay, wait quickly.
0.6107.
0.6107,
0.0229,
0.0229,
0.1221,
1221,
0.2443.
2443, and we get this as 1. Now specific cost ile ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆನೇ ಇದೆ. Let us copy that.
14.5,
14.5,
15.43,
0.43,
11.203,
yes, and 6. Now WACC
8.8551,
8.8,
551,
551. Okay, for the second one
0.3533,
3533, and the third one
1.3679,
1.3679.
679,
Okay,
1.332,
1.6 multiplied with 0.2443. Check once again.
1.443 into 6, 1.465.
1.4658, sir.
4658. Very good. What is the total now? Already 8 ಇದೆ. Index 7 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ.
12, sir. 12.0421.
421. Oh, very good. And this is the WACC for the market value. Any question on question number 22? Another question ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Any quick question?
Nothing, sir.
Okay, then I'll be proceeding now with the question number 24. This is important for me, so I'll be just going with that. Question number 24. You can see the question here. Let us review. Nan review ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ time ಅಲ್ಲಿ I'll be putting everyone on mute, and once we start solving on the board, you can be interactive with me. Mute all. Okay. Following is the balance sheet of S Limited. Again, we got an opportunity to work on the liability and the assets. Nan already ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, we don't require the information like which is not required for our cost of capital. Fixed assets or current assets not required, and short term is also not required ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, and we are not talking about even the short term. Current liabilities is a short term. Do you agree? Yes, you should agree. Yeah. We will be considering the equity share capital, and we will be talking about the 12% preference share. Illi surplus anta heli bandilla, bari reserves anta helide. This is also called as what? Now you can unmute and tell me. Bari reserves anta idre adanna enanta kariತೀವಿ?
Retained earnings, sir.
Yes, it is a retained earnings for us. It is a retained earnings. Retained earnings. Thanks. And now let us see. They've given the 8% debentures. We are going with that also. The company plans to pay a dividend of rupees 18 on equity shares, which is expected to grow at 3%. So dividend ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, and they've talked about the growth. Currently, the equity is selling at 150 per share. Fantastic. Preference shares are at rupees 120. Debentures are at 96 per debenture. The tax rate is 50%. They say that the preference shares are redeemable after 5 years at rupees 110. But as of now, the preference share, new nodaga, at what rate it is available? The preference share in the question. You can unmute and then discuss with me. This is important.
Mention ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ sir.
ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. Preference shares
120 per share ಅಂತ.
Preference shares at 120 per share ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. But when they are redemption, when they are redeemable after 5 years, it will be available at what rate?
110.
110. So ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ನೀವು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ F plus D plus PR ಅಂತ ಬರೀತಿದ್ರಿ. PR ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂತ, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is that PR stands for? Premium on
Issue of
redemption. PR is R redemption, I issue. Alva?
yes, sir.
So ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. This goes for premium on redemption ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅಂತ. I'll come back to that point again. Debentures are also redeemable after 10 years. Now they are asking us calculate. Look at this point very carefully. Weighted average cost of capital using both book value and market value.
Market value.
Yes, I will be taking you to the board and then we will see how we deal with this particular question. The most wanted question. Group al kuda chat agittu. I have seen that. So question number 24 solution. Of course, our first target is to go with the cost of. Yes. ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಹೇಳಿ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಕಲ್ತು ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಕಲಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂರಬಾರ್ದು. ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ. What is the formula we use? K equal to
D divided by NP.
MVPS
D by
plus
NP.
yes plus G. Right. In next 10 minutes, this session will be ending, and then I'll be sharing the link once again. We will join quickly. Now, what is the value of D?
18.
18.
18.
sir.
MVPS, market value per share, 150. And growth rate? And growth rate is
3%.
or 0.03.
0.03.
Okay, K is equal to D 18 divided by 150 plus 0.03. Now you tell me 18 by 150 is how much?
0.12.
Yeah, plus 0.03. How much?
0.12.
0.15 or 15%.
15%.
Okay,
15%.
fantastic. No questions here. Let's go for cost of. Yeah, preference. Is this a redeemable? Is it redeemable? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
D plus.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Formula barkoli. You should be strong by now. Formula ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಪಕ್ಕ ಆಗೋಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲೇ. And then we say RV plus NP by 2. Okay. Now let us see ಏನೇನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ here. What is the preference dividend given?
1.
How?
12% of preference share.
12% of preference share.
Yes, 12% preference shares ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, and we consider always 100 as a face value, and then we take it as rupees 12. Very good, Anuradha as well as Bharat. Next, flotation cost ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ.
No, sir.
Discount ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes,
ಇಲ್ಲ
sir.
sir, premium ಇದೆ.
ನಿಮಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ಸಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ನೋಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. In this problem, ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. In this case, ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ the preference shares are redeemable. The preference shares are redeemable after 5 years at rupees ಎಷ್ಟು?
110.
Yeah, 110 alva.
Yes, sir.
Full stop. The face value of preference shares assumed to be ಎಷ್ಟು?
100.
Yes, very good. Rupees to be 100. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 100 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು 110 ಗೆ ಸೆಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, premium on redemption, that is PR, is equal to 110 minus 110 minus 100. This is equal to rupees 10. 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿದು 110ಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾರಾಟ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ 120
ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ.
ಹೌದು, ಇದು ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಆನ್ ರಿಡಂಪ್ಷನ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 100 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು 110 ಗೆ ಸೆಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಟು ಸಿ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಪೇಪರ್. ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅಟ್ 120 ಪರ್ ಶೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
Yes, sir.
120.
ಆ 120 ಏನದು? ಕರೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್, ಈಗಿನ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನಮಗೆ ಈಗಿಂದು ಬೇಡ, 5 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೆಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ?
110.
110 ಗೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅದ್ರ ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
100.
ಎಸ್, ಫೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 100 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ರಿಡಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಆಗೋ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾರಾಟ ಆಗೋ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ RV ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಮಾರಾಟ ಆಗೋ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂತ. That is called as RV. Now we can apply the formula. KP is equal to dividend 1 to 12, that is correct, plus flotation cost illa 0, discount illa 0, PR ide, that is 10,
110.
ಬರೀ 10. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಭರತ್?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And minus PI illa 0, divided by
5.
5 yes.
yes, and whole divided by RV ಅಂದ್ರೆ
110.
110.
110.
Yeah, plus face
Plus
value andre 100 by
100.
2.
2.
Yes. So 12 plus 10 by 5 whole divided by 210 by 2. Now 12 plus 10 by 2 andre 5.
5. 10 by 5, sir. 2.
10 by 2 andre 5. 5 allappa.
10 by 5, sir.
This is 5. This is 5. And 210 by 2?
105.
105.
105.
105. Yes. 12 plus 5. 12 plus 2 ತಾನೇ ಅದು? ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ
sir.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ already divided by 5 ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. That is 2.
14.
14 by
105.
105. ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಇದು?
0.1.
Yes. Or
13.33.
13.33%. Yes. Cost of preference share ನಮಗೆ ಬಂತು. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ನೋಟ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ನೆಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ಗೆ 120 ತಗೊಂಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೆಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡ್ಸ್
RV ಪ್ಲಸ್ NP ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲುಕ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಫಾರ್ ನೆಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡ್, ಅದೇನ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? ಫ್ಲೋಟೇಷನ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ನ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes sir.
ಎಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇದು ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಆನ್ ರಿಡಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ರಿಡಂಪ್ಷನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ರಿಡೀಮಬಲ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಂತ.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಓಕೆ. ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ 120 ಕೊಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕೆಳಗೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ 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 ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬೇಡ ಬೇಡ.
ರಿಡೆಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸರ್.
ಅದು ಓನ್ಲಿ ರಿಡಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ.
ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಈಗ?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what is the next target?
Sir,
Yes,
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ 120 per share ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್. ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅದೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
ಈಗ ನಾವು ರಿಡಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿಡೀಮಬಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ಮಾರಾಟ ಆಗುವಂತದ್ದು ಒಂದು ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟ ಕಾಲ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಒಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಸೆಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಅನುರಾಧ, ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 5 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಆ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಕರೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ನ ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಈಗ ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ, 5 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಆಗೋ ರೇಟು 110 ಅಂತೆ. ಇದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೆಚುರಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಏನ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನ ಅದು 110. 120 ಈಗಿನ ಬೆಲೆ, ಕೊಡುವಾಗ 100 rupees, ಮುಖ ಬೆಲೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು 100 rupees. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಗುಡ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಎನಿಬಡಿ ಎಲ್ಸ್? Can we proceed further?
Yes sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು?
Cost of debenture.
Cost of debt.
Cost of debt. ಯಾವ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್?
Redeemable.
Redeemable. Yes, ನಾನು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೀತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್. PR minus PI divided by NM. ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂತಾ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ? ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ? ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಐ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು?
8%.
8%. ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್
0.5 ಬರಬೇಕು.
0.5. ಓಕೆ. ಫ್ಲೋಟೇಶನ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
No, sir.
ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್?
4.
ಹೆಂಗೆ?
100 minus 96.
100 minus
Yes, sir.
96. That is 4. 100 FV, 96 market
value.
price. Market price.
Market value.
Yes, very good. ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ? ರಿಡಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
NM is
sir.
equal to NM is equal to
10.
10 years.
10 years.
Okay, 10 years.
Yes, sir.
Now you calculate and tell me KD ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂತ. ಈಗ ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. I'll share the link once again. RV ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ರಿಡಂಪ್ಷನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ
100.
100.
RB 100,
NP
96.
96.
very good. In next 1 minute ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. I'll be closing the link now and then I'll be sharing once again the Zoom link for you guys to join.